नमस्कार. येवकार तुमका माय गोवा नेटवर्कच्या या खाशेल्या कार्यवाहीत. पणजे स्मार्ट सिटी प्रकल्पाचे पुराण अजून सोंपना. जसजसे दीस वता तसे कितें ना कितें नवें वळण ह्या प्रकरणाक मेळटा. पयलीं आशिल्ली काम टायमार पुराय जावपाची गॅरंटी, मागीर जालें होपफुल ऑफ कंप्लिटींग इट ऑन टायम. आतां अशें दिसून येता की पणजेचे लोक हाका वाजेल्यात. पणजेच्या कांय नागरिकांनी उच्च न्यायालयात जनहित याचिका म्हळ्यार पब्लीक इंटरेस्ट लिटिगेशन दाखल केल्या. अनियोजित स्मार्ट सिटी प्रकल्पाक लागून जावपी असुविधा आणि धूळ प्रदूषण कमी करपा खातीर सरकार आणि इमॅजिन पणजे स्मार्ट सिटी डेव्हलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन हांकां पावलां उबारपाक सांगपा खातीर पणजेच्या रहिवाशांनी आपल्या याचिका वरवीं उच्च न्यायालयातल्यान बेगोबेग निर्देश मागल्यात. ह्या याचिकेत गोंय सरकार, गोंय प्रदूषण नियंत्रण महामंडळ, इमॅजिन पणजे स्मार्ट सिटी डेव्हलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन, पणजी महानगरपालिका, भलायकी संचालनालय, ट्रॅफिक सेलाचे उत्तर गोंयचे पुलीस अधीक्षक आणि उत्तर गोंयचे जिल्लोधिकारी हांकां प्रतिवादी केल्यात. स्मार्ट सिटीच्या चालू आशिल्ल्या कामा वेळार धूळ प्रदूषणाचेर आळाबंद हाडपा खातीर उपाय करपाचे निर्देश अधिकाऱ्यांक दिवचे. तशेंच पणजेंतल्या वेगवेगळ्या सुवातींनी रियल टायम एम्बियंट एअर क्वॉलिटी मॉनिटरिंग स्टेशनां स्थापन करची अशी ह्या याचिकेत मागणी आसा. स्मार्ट सिटी प्रकल्प पुराय जाय मेरेन येरादारीची योग्य येवजण आंखपाची मागणी, तशेंच स्मार्ट सिटी प्रकल्पा खाला वेगवेगळे प्रकल्प पुराय करपाची मुजत सांगपी आराखडो सादर करपाची मागणी ह्या याचिकेत नागरिकांनी केल्या. आता आमी पळोवया याचिकादारांचे म्हणणे कितें आसा ते.
See, some days back, I had sent a letter to the High Court, a memorandum, or we had sent a representation to the High Court, explaining the plight of what is happening in Penjim. And what I had asked for was, since there is such a huge amount of dust, and I had highlighted there's so much of dust, I myself having problem with my wife at home. I'm using 4 oil purifiers at home. So we had, what my request was, ki all these works that are going on, I had inquired with Pillution board and the other authorities whether they have got any kind of methodology to monitor what is happening to the air quality during the process of undertaking these activities. They did not have anything. They do not have replied to me that they don't have any kind of a mechanism. So I have sent a representation to the High Court, hoping and requesting that they will come. They will provide some relief. They may take it as suo motu and allow us to pass some directions. They should monitor and they should keep the air clean. But unfortunately, that is not the process, and it has not happened. So now me and like-minded people, we have now filed a petition before the High Court, fundamentally requesting the same thing. Now, basically, the PIL is not with an intention to hit out at anybody, not to hurt anybody, and more importantly, in the PIL, I am not asking, or we are not asking that this should be stopped or that should be stopped. Okay. Now, I am living in Penjim for the last 52 years. All of us, maybe all of you also people are living in Penjim. PIF per se is in the interest of everybody in Penjim. I don't think even a single person in Penjim can disagree with what is written and disagree with what is sought for. If you have seen over the many years in Goa, the agendas have always been decongestion of traffic, cleaning of nala, and flooding. Okay, these are the basically things that are always there. Whichever person is there, it is always there. It is a good fortune now that the central government, in their own wisdom, they have decided to upgrade certain about 100 cities in India to smart city, and it is fortunate that Penjim is one of the cities. It is welcome, it is necessary, and they have to do it. This is the first time in 50 years I am seeing that something is happening, and more so over the last 15-20 years with everything changed, the scenario, topography of Penjim is completely changed. So it is very good that whatever is happening. Ultimately, once the project is completed, we may all find it to be that yes, it was necessary to do.
हाचेर आमी ॲडव्होकेट लिओफर्दो अल्मेदा कुतिनो हांचे कडेन उलोवप केलें. तांचें म्हणणें आयकूया.
हें हांव सांगपाक शकना वॉट व्यू द कोर्ट वील टेक, बट एज आय लूक एट इट, our High Court is very proactive in giving justice to the people. We have seen this in various issues that have been before the High Court. I expect the High Court to give certain directions, and I also expect that the government of Goa will give a time frame to the court as to when the works would be completed. That is my expectation.
थँक्यू. सो आता पळयात हाचे एक निर्णय कितें जाता तो. देव बरो करूं. फ्रॉम माय गोवा नेटवर्क हांव सुरज आनी म्हाज्या वांगडा आसा कॅमेरामॅन प्रणय. थँक्यू.